Good morning, my dear students. So in my last video we have discussed the exercise 12.1. So today I shall start from exercise 12.2. So in question number 12.2 exercise, first question, a park is in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD, has angle C equal to 90 degree, AB equal to 9 centimeter, BC equal to 12 meter, CD equal to 5 meter, AD equal to 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? Okay, so you have this question number 1. So let us first try to draw the diagram. So it's a quadrilateral with angle C as 90 degree. So A, B, C and D. AB is 9 meter, BC is 12 meter, CD is 5 meter and AD is 8 meter. So here let us join this A, B and D. So already we know that in Heron's formula, if we talk about a triangle, so here in this quadrilateral is break up into two triangles, is not it? And if you see, the third side for both the triangle are absent. So let us find. Since angle C is 90 degree angle, so we can say that in triangle BCD it is following what angle? Angle C is 90 degree, so it is following Pythagoras. So using Pythagoras rule, that is BD square equal to CD square plus BC square, we can easily find the third side BD, is not it? So CD equal to 5 whole square plus 12 whole square. That is 25 plus 144, which is 169. So BD will be root over 169, that is 13. So we can say that now it will be easy for us to find the area of both the triangle. So from triangle BCD, A let us take 13, B let us take 5 and C let us take 12. So S is A plus B plus C by 2, that is 13 plus 5 plus 12 by 2. So semi-perimeter is coming to be 15. So let us find the area. So area for the triangle BCD will be root over S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So root over 15 minus 13, 15 minus 5, 15 minus 12. So 3 are there, 3, 2, 5, 1, 5 will come out, and so how much is coming? That is 30 meter square for the triangle BCD, is not it? So let us find for the second triangle. So for the triangle ABD, if A is 9 meter, B is 8 meter and C is 13 meter. So again let us find the semi-perimeter. A plus B plus C by 2. That is 9 plus 8 plus 13 by 2. Here also it is coming to be semi-perimeter as 15. So let us find the area of the triangle using Heron's formula. So 15 minus 9, 15 minus 8, 15 minus 13. So if you see here, it is coming this way. So here root over 35. So let us calculate the value. So if I calculate, because here it is a whole number, isn't it? Here it is coming as square root. So if I want to find the perfect square root, so it will be So how to find, let us learn today how to find the square root of imperfect numbers. Okay, so here 5 into 5 will be 25. Okay, so 0 1. So whenever we are finding square root of imperfect numbers, so always you have to take two numbers. Okay, and together two numbers will be dropped. Okay, and then you have to add 5 plus 5, that is 10. Okay, and number what you put, you have to multiply with that same number. So 9 into 9, 81, 9. Okay, 9, 1. Again 2 zeros will come. Again you have to add 109 plus 9 will be 118. Okay, so here if you write here one place, you have to multiply with that same number. That is 1181. So approximately you can take this as 6 into 5.9. Suppose if I take approximately as, because root 36 is 6, so root 35 5.91. so if I find the decimal, it will be 54.5, so 35.4 meter square, is not it? So therefore you are asked to find the area of the quadrilateral, and area of quadrilateral is divided into two parts. So area of quadrilateral is divided into two triangles. So let us write 30 plus 35.4. So the total area of this quadrilateral will be 65.4 meter square. So this is the answer of our first question. So next is question number 2. So find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to 3 cm, BC is equal to 4 cm, CD is equal to 4 cm, DA is equal to 5 cm, and AC is given equal to 5 cm. Okay, so let us draw the quadrilateral ABCD. So AB given as 3, BC given as 4, CD is given as 4, DA is given as 5, and AC is given as 5. So now if you see, again you have a quadrilateral which is divided into two triangles, and in all the triangles you can see the three sides are available, is not it? So let us find using again the Heron's formula. So the area of the quadrilateral is divided into two parts, that is area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. So in triangle ABC, A equal to 3, B equal to 4, and C equal to 5. So S will be A plus B plus C by 2, that is 3 plus 4 plus 5 by 2. So 12 by 2, that is 6. Okay, so area of triangle ABC will be root over 6, 6 minus 3, 6 minus 4, 6 minus 5, that is root over 6 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 6 into 6. So what is the first area of our triangle ABC is coming to be 6 centimeter square. Okay, now let us consider in triangle ACD, that is A equal to 5, B equal to 4, C equal to 5. So S will be A plus B plus C by 2. So 5 plus 4 plus 5 by 2. So 14 by 2, that is coming to be 7. So area of triangle ACD will be root over S, again S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. That is root over 7, 7 minus 5, 7 minus 4, 7 minus 5. Root over 7 into 2 into 3 into 2. So here if you see, so here 2 2's are there, again root 21. So again now we have to find the square root of 21. So here if you see here root 21, it is near to either root 16, that is 4, root 16 value is 4 and root 25 is 5. That means root 21 must be lying between the values of 4 and 5, is not it? So again we have to take two values. Okay, so 4 4 16 5, 2 zeros will come directly, 4 plus 4 will be 8. So if I take 5, so 5 into 5, 25, 4, 25. So 5, 7. Then 2 zeros will again come down. So 85 plus 5 will be 90. So here 8 into 8, 64. 8 into 9, 72. So approximately 2 into 4.58. 16. So approximately 9.16 centimeter. So therefore area of triangle, area of quadrilateral ABCD will be again sum of 6 plus 9.16 centimeter square, that is 15.16 centimeter square, or you can take approximately 15.2 centimeter square. Okay, so in this way we can find area of quadrilateral using two triangles. Okay, so question number 4, a triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and same area. If the sides of the triangle are 26, 28 and 30 centimeter and the parallelogram stands on the base as 28 centimeter, find the height of the parallelogram. Okay, so in this I am drawing here, so base is same, so that's why for the parallelogram and for this triangle our base is 28 centimeter. So here as per the question it is given that area of triangle ACD is given equal to the area of the parallelogram, that is ABCD. Okay, so area of triangle is using Heron's formula, we have to put the value. Okay, and area of parallelogram is what? Base into height. So here you are asked to find the unknown height. That means you have to compare your area and then we have to find the unknown height of our parallelogram ABCD. So in triangle ACD, let us take A as 26, B as 28 and C as 30. So 26 plus 28 plus 30 by 2. 84 by 2, that is coming to be 24. So area of triangle ACD will be root over S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Plus 8, 14. Sorry, 42. 42 minus 26, 42 minus 28 and 42 minus 30. Okay. So 42 2 into 3 into 7 16 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 14 2 into 7 then here 3 2. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 twos are there. So what we can do here, so 9 twos are there. This 2 will give us 1 2, this 2 will give us 1 2, this 2 will give us 1 2, this 2 will give us 1 2. Okay, how many 3s are there? Okay, so 3 into, so 3 into, and how 2 3 into 2, and how many 7s are there? 1. And so how much is coming? 16 into 7 will be So 112 by root 6. Okay, so here I have done one mistake here. So this is 42 minus 30. Sorry, it should be 12, is not it? 42, let us write 6 into 7. This will be 4 into 4. 14 will be 2 into 7. And 12, let us write 2 into 6. And then it will be easy for us to calculate, is not it? So 2 6 will give us 1 6. 2 7 will give us 1 7. 2 4 will give us 1 4. And 2 2s will give 1. Okay. So here 42 into 8. So area of the triangle is coming to be 336 centimeter square. Okay. Now let us put this value in this equation for us to find the height of our parallelogram. Okay. So therefore the height will be 336 divided by 28. So that much will be the height of the parallelogram. So the height of our parallelogram is coming to be 12 centimeters.